In this video, I'll show you how to save Telegram photos and videos on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. Now, if for any reasons you want you want to save different photos and different videos on Telegram here on your PC, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Telegram, right? I'm going to head over to, let me see, this channel. And I want to save this photo right here. What you need to do, you need to right click your mouse. You're gonna see this download, right? Click on the download. Once you have clicked on it, it's going to download. Look right here, we just saved it to our PC, right? This is it, and I'm going to try it for another one. So I'm going to wait for this image to load up. Open it, right click, okay, right click, you're gonna see the download, right? Click on download, it's going to download. So you can still do that for any videos you see here on Telegram. So that's how you can save Telegram photos and videos on PC. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.